Yellow science squares. Companies lie about the neutral pH of shower gels, and I'm here to spill the tea. I'm Dr. Lana Bully, the Science Queen. Science Queers! My fellow science queers, when asked about an acid, most people would say it's a corrosive liquid that would make a hole through any material. Let's put things straight, in a very gay way. Actually, there are acids and bases. They both can be dissolved in water, and they attack, meaning react with, organic tissue. Acids can also attack metals, and bases can attack glass. And when an acid and a base meet, neutralization takes place, producing salt and water. Okay, that might not have been water. Common salt is just one type of salt. An example of an acid is hydrochloric acid. An example of a base is sodium hydroxide. The neutralization reaction is like me and you. It's pretty simple. Hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide give common salt and water. Imagine these substances as magnets with a positive and a negative pole according to the electron charge. These poles are called ions. The reaction is as simple as swapping ions. In fact, chemical reactions are very much like swinger meetings. The hydrogen ion of the acid and the hydroxide ion of the base join to make water. The sodium of the base and the chloride of the acid make common salt, sodium chloride. The Swedish chemist Arrhenius was the first who defined the concepts acid and base in 1887. According to him, acid was a substance that released hydrogen ions, and a base released hydroxide ions, as in the example. But what is pH, and which is the neutral pH? pH is a measure of acidity in water, and it ranges from 0 to 14. 0 is the most acid, like my tongue. 14 is the most basic, like my makeup skills. And pH 7 is the neutral pH, the pH of pure water. So, pH 5.5 of soaps and gels is not the neutral pH, but the pH of our skin, which is slightly acid. Science Queers! And that's it, my fellow science queers. Let it soak in. And remember, an eggplant in the hand is not worth two in the bush. Cyanide later.